Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to put together your weather flipbook. First off, you are going to be cutting them out, and page 1 is going to be just this little sliver. Page 2, page 3, and page 4. Then if you look along the side are kind of these staple marks that you can even line them on up, and you end up with a whole map of the United States. You can take and staple those together. Right there along the staple marks. And now you can flip it open and using the map that you just made, answer the questions. So you're going to have to look for the low pressure systems, the high pressure systems, and all the fronts moving across as well.